Morning everyone. Today we'll discuss about the permit system. There are different types of permits, and whatever the work which you need to start. Before starting the job, you have to go with the permit. First you need to take permit and then start your job. So there are different kinds of permits. So today we'll discuss on the permit system. Okay. So types of permit like hot work permit. Hot work permit related to the work which is like welding, cutting, grinding, okay, and gas cuttings. So these are the work which are related to the hot work. If you have to start the hot work, so you need to take a hot work permit. That is very important. Okay. Then excavation work permit. Excavation work permit which relates to the digging purpose. If you are excavating with the help of JCB, with the help of poglin or other machineries, okay. So if you want to dig more than like 10 feet, 20 feet, 30 feet, so always you have to go with the excavation permit. In excavation permit, basically, once you start the digging process, okay, you have to put the barricading area, okay, at the side where you are going for the excavation, okay, that is very important. Confined space permit. In confined space, if you have to go inside the confined space, so first you have to go with the detectors, put the detectors, check the oxygen level, okay, and then after that you have to go with the BSA. Hear the BSA in a proper way and then go inside. First check the oxygen level, put the detectors, then take the confined space permit, and then you have to go inside. If you have to go inside, go with BSA. Hear BSA properly and then go inside. Height work permit. If you are working on height, so it is very important. Always you have to go with the harness, lifeline. Harness should be in a proper way. Okay, you have to wear in a proper way, and then the lifeline is over there. You have to entangle the clip in the lifeline so that you can work in a safe way. Okay, fall arrestor is also very important if you are working on height. Okay. Then electrical work permit. If you are working in electrical zone, so it is also very important. That is what first you need to check all wires. There should be no any cut in between the wirings, like बीच में कहीं पे कटा हुआ है, तो उस तरीके का कोई भी कट नहीं होना चाहिए. It is very important. The wire should be in a proper way. And then first you need to take permit and then start your job related to the electrical. इलेक्ट्रिकल में काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होता है. शॉक लगने का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. ओके, शॉक लगने की वजह से कई सारे वर्कर्स मर जाते हैं. तो इसमें आपको रबर ग्लव्स पहनने हैं, प्रॉपर पीपीई पहनना है. प्रॉपर पीपीई पहनने के बाद में ही इलेक्ट्रिकल वर्क स्टार्ट करना है. अंडरस्टूड? सबसे पहले परमिट ले लेना है. देन स्कैफोल्डिंग परमिट. अगर आप स्कैफोल्डिंग से रिलेटेड जैसे फिक्स स्कैफोल्ड्स बना रहे हो, कैंटिलीवर स्कैफोल्ड्स, लाइक मोबाइल स्कैफोल्ड्स, कोई भी स्कैफोल्ड आप यूज कर रहे हो, like different types of scaffolds over there. So if you are using any type of scaffold, first you need to go with the inspections. इंस्पेक्शन करना है, उसका देखना है सोल प्लेट बराबर होना चाहिए, बेस प्लेट होना चाहिए, लेजर होना चाहिए, ट्रांसॉम होना चाहिए. उसके बाद में उसके ऊपर जो गार्ड रेल, टॉप रेल, मिड रेल, ये सारी चीज़ें होनी चाहिए. लैडर होना चाहिए, क्रॉस ब्रेसिंग्स होने चाहिए, ट्रांसॉम होना चाहिए, एक्स्ट्रा सपोर्ट होना चाहिए. स्कैफोल्डिंग में आपका स्कैफोल्ड एक प्लेन सरफेस एरिया पे प्रॉपर तरीके से खड़ा होना चाहिए. तो इस तरीके से आपको स्कैफोल्डिंग सबसे पहले इंस्पेक्शन करना है, उसके बाद में ही परमिट इश्यू करना है. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? द लिफ्टिंग वर्क परमिट. किसी भी तरीके का लिफ्टिंग वर्क कर रहे हो, सो लिफ्टिंग वर्क परमिट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फर्स्ट यू नीड टू गो विद द परमिट एंड देन स्टार्ट योर जॉब. देन कोल्ड वर्क परमिट. Chemical related work permit. So in chemical related work permit, it is very important while handling any type of chemicals. First you have to go with MSDS, material safety data sheet. You need to check that material safety data sheet. MSDS is very important. In chemical permit, MSDS, material safety data sheet is very important while handling any type of chemical. So किसी भी तरीके का केमिकल अगर आप यूज कर रहे हो, तो सबसे पहले आपको उसका MSDS जानना बहुत जरूरी है. उसके बाद में परमिट ले लीजिए. परमिट लेने के बाद में ही काम स्टार्ट करना है. अंडरस्टूड? And then special work permit, any type of special work like radiation materials like uranium, thorium, strontium, radium, thorium, this kind of electromagnetic waves which travels in straight direction in radioactive elements. Radioactive elements which radiates the heat in the form of electromagnetic waves, and that waves travels in straight direction. So it is very important The special types of permits for special things. So if we are working in a radioactive zone, okay, radiation zone. If we are working in radiation zone, so better to take special permits. Understood? So there are different kinds of permits over there. Before you start the job, first you need to take the permit. Inspection of that area. Inspection is very important. Inspect that area, then take permit, and then start your job. Understood?